Hey friends, what we're doing now, after we've laid down the concrete board, which is screwed down, is we're trying to figure out a layout. First of all, you have a choice whether or not to go in thirds or in half, and we decide thirds, and give the owner of this house, and then decide with the grout joints would be by these spacers, and we decided on that. And then we're measuring across the room. So this 58 and a quarter to the tub. And I don't want a little piece by the tub, and I don't want a little piece by the door. Either one of those would look bad over here and function probably would break over there. So I've been doing math and trying to figure out. So what I'll probably do is try to figure it out so that I'll have like a 3-inch piece over here. And then go. And then I'm going to pop a line when I get that math. I'm going to pop a line through from one wall to the other. Being this wall and that wall are the same, and these walls are not, I'll come off of this wall and measure pop through, and then we'll go and do that side of that line, and then we'll come and do this side sections. I'll bring it out to the doorway and don't paint myself into a corner, don't put my ceramic tile so I have to hop over it. So that's where we're at. We're doing math, and I'm going to pop a line next.